Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Today saw a very random peppering of showers across eastern Queensland with no substantial rain recorded overnight. Tomorrow we're thinking these showers might become a little more widespread, so let's hope at least one falls on our head. Not much variation in temperature since yesterday, with most stations again reporting bottoms in the low 20s and tops in the low 30s, which is about average for February. To the satellite loop, the main focus of rain today was in the southeast corner. Funnily enough, it didn't really eventuate on the granite belt as we thought it would, although it might tomorrow. And meanwhile, you see a scattering of showers across the eastern ranges and also the coast, but there haven't been any big heavy falls. You can see the cyclone, of course, has raced across the Coral Sea. It's now out of Australia's jurisdiction into Fijian waters and will no longer affect us. So we won't be talking about it a whole lot more. There might be some new ones spawning in the next week or two. Today's chart now, you got firstly the cyclone, which is way over there. It is threatening Vanuatu and New Caledonia. Around here we've got the inland trough, which has been the main instigator of the storms that have eventuated in the southeast. On tomorrow's chart, the inland trough gets stronger and the winds ahead of it get more moist, so we'll have more substantial shower activity in the eastern ranges and the east coast. And then on the outlook chart, you can see how the trough merges west again. The monsoon trough starts to get more intense and rainfall increases in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, light variable winds, nothing over 10 knots tomorrow, easterly winds on Thursday, same strength, east to northeast on Friday. And now for tomorrow's tides. We've got low water first up in the morning, and it's not that low because the half moon isn't far away. The high tide comes later in the day. North tropical coast and tablelands, showers tomorrow with possible storms, mainly inland. Cairns 33 degrees, 29 for Atherton, Innisfail and Mareeba 31. Looking ahead for Cairns, starting from tomorrow and continuing into next week, each day will see at least 30% chance of rain and probably much higher as the over the weekend I should say, as the monsoon blows up again. For Atherton, again, the weekend looks like the peak of activity. We're going for about 50-60% chance, and early next week even a little bit more. And that's all of tonight's weather. Hope you enjoyed the show. Take it easy and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully with more good news about the rain. In the meantime, I'll hand you over to our accomplished news team to say the final goodbyes. And from me, it's also goodbye for now.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
And of course, you can catch our news anytime on 7+. We'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.
On 7 News tonight.